Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to invite someone to your LG ThinQ Home app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and share your LG ThinQ appliances with someone else. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, what you're first going to do is click on the three dots on the top. Next, click on Home Settings. Now from here, you want to go ahead and click on your home. So click on Home. And then this is the really important step, guys. The next thing you're going to do is click on Invite Members. And then from here, you can see which shared devices you're going to invite someone to. So if you go ahead and scroll down, you can go ahead and select certain devices, but go ahead and click on Invite. And then you can either invite via QR code if the person is right next to you, or you can invite via account. So if you know the person's ThinQ account, you'll just go ahead and enter their email. So here you can type in their ThinQ account and then click on Done and then click on Invite. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and invite someone to your LG ThinQ Home app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.